Hello friends, today we are going to talk about France. I am going to share with you 12 most compelling reasons which every Indian student must consider while he is deciding on his study abroad destination. I am going to discuss these reasons especially from point of view of an Indian student because in last 4-5 years there has been such a deep relationship developing between India and France that we from India as students can benefit a lot from our intergovernment strategic cooperation that has been developing. Well, friends, let's start with the first reason, which is obviously the biggest factor behind our study abroad decision, is that we want a high quality education. Long before the study abroad trend became so popular, France has been at the forefront of lot of research. In fact, it has got 64 Nobel Prizes to its credit as a country and 15 field medals which are given for top class performance in mathematics. If I talk about management, because a lot of Indian students want to go abroad to do management, then you'll be surprised to know that out of the top 100 MIM colleges, MIM stands for Master in Management, the highest number, that is 27 out of top 100, are from France. Normally we would have thought that it's USA, Harvard or something else, but the fact is very different over here. If you look at any factual ranking like Financial Times rankings, or maybe QS ranking or the Economist ranking, you will find the largest number of colleges are in France which come in top 100. In fact, 4 out of top 5 them are also in France, like ESSEC, HEC. So France, even for research and even for management, has the best colleges of the world. Now a point typically for Indian students. A few years ago, both our prime ministers met and they decided that all French degrees will be by default recognized in India. Normally what happens is that if you get an abroad degree, you want to get it recognized in India. If it is not already recognized, then you have to go to AIU, All India University, which is a governmental body, and then get your degree recognized. But since both France and India have an agreement now, all Indian degrees are recognized in France and vice versa, all French degrees are recognized in India. So you will have no problem coming back to India using that degree for a government job, for a PhD or for any private job purpose or any other purpose, because that degree will be recognized in India. I think that's one of the very compelling reasons to opt for France. Let's go to the second reason. Again, a very important reason for most of us in India. When we look at the cost of study in USA, Australia, UK, there's nothing less than 30-40 lakh for a degree. Whereas if you look at France, you will get the best quality education as I explained in the previous slide. But the second best thing is that it will be at a very low or affordable cost. One of the reasons for this is that as a government, France allocates 20% of its budget for education. It's a huge figure. If you look at India as a country, it's somewhere, I'm not sure, but somewhere around 2-3%. And no other country is 20% budget for education. So that budgetary support goes into co-financing the students' cost. Hence, students have to pay less. In the government universities, public universities, the fee starts as low as 2770 euro per year for bachelor and 3770 euro per year for master. So friends, not only you are going to get the best quality education as I explained in point number 1, but you are also going to get at one of the least cost that you can imagine. Even lesser than India, I should say. Let me go to the third reason. So, most of us have this kind of a feeling that France, there would be a language problem, everybody would be speaking French, I should better look at any Anglophonic country. But friends, that is totally I should say, figment of your imagination. That among all the European countries, France has the highest number of courses in English. More than 1500 courses are taught in English language. And if you want a list of all of them, I have given this URL. It's an official Campus France URL by French government, where you can go and search region-wise, language-wise, course-wise, specialization-wise. A lot of filters are there, and you can figure out the exact course that you want in English. If nothing else, you open this link and you'll be convinced that there are endless number of courses in English. Also, when you look at their campuses in France, let's say top colleges, HEC, ESSEC, IMT, EM Normandy, you will find English is widely used by students over there. One of the reasons for that is that
all of these campuses boast of a lot of international presence. For example, IMT Business School in Paris has students from more than 60 nationalities. So if there are people coming from 60 different countries, obviously English will become the common medium of communication, right? So therefore, you will be able to study in English in France at a low cost and a very, very high quality education. Let's go to point number 4. France has a very, very strong economy. Second largest in European Union and 7th in the world. If you look at Fortune 500 companies and you start picking those companies ranked by countries, France is ranked 5th in the number of companies that are there in the world. Now, one compelling reason for Indian students on adding on all these 2 points, 570 French companies work in India, which have like bases in India, offices in India, and more than 1,000 have some Indian relationship. So which are those top companies which you are very familiar with but may not be knowing that they are French? I'd like to share a few names. AXA, which is one of the top companies. You have heard Bharti AXA, they have a collaboration. Accor Hotels, which have the brands like iBase, Mercure, Novotel. These are owned by Accor Hotels. Then of course, Sodexo. If you are working, your company would be giving you Sodexo food coupons. So that's a French company. Danone. So all those yogurt, cheese, which Britannia used to earlier make, were in collaboration with Danone. Now Danone directly markets and sells them. Saint-Gobain, glasses, L'Oreal, I am sure all of you have heard L'Oreal. Carrefour is like Walmart, a big store. So Carrefour is also in that domain. Renault, you have heard about Renault. Peugeot, again in automobiles. Louis Vuitton, now who hasn't heard Louis Vuitton? So Louis Vuitton is one of those big iconic brands. So it's a French brand. Pernod Ricard, which is into the liquor. The Salt, we are buying Rafales from the Salt. Air France, Michelin. So there are a lot of top French companies that are there already in India. Another compelling reason why students should choose France is that it is one of the very friendly nations that you will find in the world. It ranks 4th for hosting international students across the globe. World over, it is one of the topmost tourist destinations. In fact, Paris holds a record for almost 40 years as the most visited city. So overall, an Indian student is assured that there will be a lot of diversity, not only in my campus, but also in the country as a whole. That ensures that you are treated in a warm way, you get a warm welcome. Also, there is a lot of learning when there are people of many nationalities in the country and on the campus. Moving on to the next compelling factor. Not many of the students in India are aware that French government offers a lot of facilities to the students. For example, there is something called CAF subsidy, which in my experience I have not heard in any of other countries. So what is CAF subsidy? So basically any student, whether from India or any country who chooses to study in France, is staying in an apartment or any student accommodation, he gets up to 50% of his rent subsidized by government. So this is very amazing facility for each of you, that for example, if you pay 400 euros per month as your rent, up to 200 euros will be reimbursed back to your account by French government. So just imagine, I have never heard these kind of a thing in any other big countries like USA, Canada, Australia, anywhere you talk about. Only and only France and French government is offering this subsidy to all international students. Then there are certain standard things like 20 hours per week part-time work is allowed so that you can, support yourself. You don't have to be really dependent on your family for your living expenses. One of the unique things again about French is that they have a social security cover called CVAC. So all students have to compulsorily enroll for it. It's a very nominal cost, but that ensures that year round you have access to the social facilities like healthcare facilities and all that. So again, it's a very unique initiative of French government, which is highly student centric. Let's move on to the next point, which many of the students are very keen to know about, the post-study work permit. So which is called APS in France. So basically, French government allows up to 2 years of post-study job search visa. So that means if you study, let's say, a 1-year MSc course or a 2-year master course, doesn't depend on the duration, you will be allowed to stay back in France for up to 2 years to find a job. And moment you find a job, you can apply for a permit to stay longer, which is up to 4 years of permit. Now, in case you want to come back to India, let's say you want to come back, work here, start a family, or any other reason, start a business here. Whenever throughout your life, whenever next you apply to France, you will be given a 5-year circulation visa just because you have a French degree. That's super, that's amazing. No other country guarantees that, right? So that means if I have a French degree, whenever next I want to go back to France, I will get a 5-year circulation visa, and that would be for entire Schengen, for entire 26 nations of Europe. In addition, France also offers talent passport. So for example, you want to do a startup there, you want to get employed with a startup, or you are at a good position, you get a residency card straight away, which is the categorization of it is talent passport, but it's basically residency card, which allows you and your family to stay over there, and after 4 to 5 years of stay, you become a French citizen. So these are again some of the unique benefits which French government offers to the students who want to come there and study. Next is I'd like to talk about multiple intake. So as we know, many countries in the world are constrained. For example, we talk about Finland, Sweden, and even other popular countries, they have only single intake, maybe in September. Some countries have just dual intakes, like USA has dual intakes. But French are very liberal in that. Mostly French universities also have just 2 intakes, Jan and September, but I know more than 10 universities which also have Feb intake, March intake. There are 7 or 8 who also have October, November intake. So practically as a student, it is an advantage to you that whenever you decide, you don't have to wait a year to go to France. You have multiple options to go to France. Moving on, I like to talk about the location, the geographical aspect of studying in France. Compared to many countries where it takes about 14 hours, 16 hours of flight, and that too if you go direct. If you take a stopover, it's like almost 20 hours from Delhi to fly. France is quite closer to home. From Delhi, it's just about 7 hours of flight. Sometimes it even takes less. And there are direct flights to Paris, not just from Delhi, but 4 different Indian cities as well. Bangalore, Chennai. So, you have a lot of options to travel to France, which makes it feel closer to home. Also, there is a lot of Indian community present over there. There are specific shops where you can get even Indian masalas, spices, Indian food. So French as a place to study, France as a place to study feels a lot more closer to home. Moving on, another compelling reason is the countless scholarships. Again, as a country, I have never seen a nation, even US, never as a nation which offers so many scholarships for Indians. So there are like EFL scholarship, which offers you complete waiver on fee of your college, as well as tuition fee, as well as visa fee. Then there's CHAPA, UGAM Lee Grant scholarship. 2 of my students who got UGAM Lee Grant scholarship last year, their entire fee was reimbursed to them, and their visa fee is also processed free of cost. Their ticket was also reimbursed to them. So amazing. Everything is sponsored by government. So beauty is that this is independent of the college. So you can get selected or choose to study in any college in France, but still you can apply for these scholarships. And then there are certain sector specific colleges like Amba Dalmia, Brahman Samandri, which focus on art or music, but then EFL and all are open for everybody to apply. Next point I'd like to discuss, which is again very important point, is that when you are going to study, let's say you're going for a master course, it's not just that you're going to be in a classroom, you are going to be living in a place. So it's very important to get enriched culturally also. And you would agree with me, there is nothing more exuberant or elegant than a French lifestyle. So moment you'll set your foot in Paris, you'll surely fall in love with it. There's so much to enjoy, starting from their cuisine, their architecture, diversity, museum, festivals, culture, and they're so welcoming as a country. And not just Paris, there's so many other cities, Lille, Nice, Toulouse, Lyon. So amazing. I would say 1 year of your first year study, let's say first year of your studies, every weekend you should be dedicating to explore more of French culture. And once you're done with that, you should also explore Europe. Beauty of studying in France is that you have access to 26 Schengen nations on your one study visa, you can access Germany, Belgium, Amsterdam, Netherlands, and who doesn't want to go to Amsterdam? And there's so much more, Hungary, Czech, Slovakia, so much to explore. So it's not just about studies that I would say you go to France, but you live your Europe travel dreams. And having traveled a lot of world, I can say this from my personal experience, there's nothing better than traveling in Europe, and especially being student. You have so many discounts, like going to many museums would be virtually free of cost for you as a student. So I hope I have been able to put my points across, and now you have so many reasons to apply and go to France. You are always welcome to connect with us. These are our numbers, Facebook IDs, and other social media handles. I hope many of you make the wise decision to go to France. Bye bye. Take care.